of another instrumental, you ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world.
What is up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic, and I'm back in here with another video. What I want to do really quick is for some of you guys that have Mpc Studio or just getting Mpc Studio and haven't quite figured out how you can connect a USB turntable to your computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop, how you can connect it through USB and use it to sample live vinyl, sample from that good vintage wax, the old school way, right? So I know we got YouTube, people sampling from YouTube or different websites sampling records. There's nothing wrong with that, but I still like to hear that, you know, some of that grit when I sample and chop up records. So I'm gonna jump over here really quickly, just show you guys real quick how to set it up and how to get started sampling and chopping from real vinyl records. All right, so let's get it. Okay, so once you get your USB turntable connected to your computer, you want to basically go into the MPC, head up here to your preferences. Once you get in your preferences, you're gonna hit your input, right? In your input, you should see USB audio codec. You're gonna click on that. And once you click on that, you're gonna hit OK, right? After you hit OK, you should be able to do something like this. Well, before I go to that, make sure you go up here. It's probably gonna be set here somewhere. Go over to your sampler tab, right? You wanna click on monitor so that you can hear your record while it's playing. So here we go, listen. Right? So you basically can right, so there you go. You just sampled vinyl from your USB turntable into your Mpc Studio. So that's basically how you do it. Then of course, if I want to go here to edit sample, up here at the top, go to edit sample, click on chop over here. What I do really quickly just to test it out, I go to regions. Boom. And that is how you connect your USB turntable to your Mpc Studio and get it cracking and start sampling and start making beats. So that was for some of the new guys. Some of you old heads, you already know how to do this stuff, but I had some guys that sent me a request to figure out how do they sample using the USB turntable. I use a Numark PT-01 USB turntable for my sampling needs from vinyl. So I also have another video doing an unboxing of the Numark on my channel. So if you dig through the videos, you should be able to find that. But I hope this helps some of you guys out. Hopefully this was useful for you and you can chop up, do whatever you need to do. But what I haven't done yet, I actually haven't pulled this up as a VST, the Mpc as a VST and Reason, and actually sampled vinyl, doing it that way, using the Mpc Studio as a VST and Reason to actually sample from vinyl. Haven't done that yet, still have to do it. That video is coming soon. All right. Hope this helped you guys. Y'all know what it is. Always hustle. Never stop growing. Peace.